how to fix Outlook only showing free or busy status on your shared calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Outlook and make sure that you're logged in. And on the left hand side, you'll see various icons. You'll need to go ahead and then tap on calendar. Now, here, choose the calendar that you want to share, and then you will see three dots on the right side. Tap on it, and then you'll see sharing and permissions. So here you can see people in my organization, and you can see various drop downs if you tap on the drop down and make sure you have set it to can view all details. So this way people will be able to view all details not only the free and the busy status. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.